Hey guys, thank you for coming to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how to serge with this elastic. I'm going to serge it first, and I'm going to be using the net, which is the fishnet fabric. Okay, so I'm going to serge it and go from there. So this is the top. So I'm going to be stitching the sides. My serger work like a clutch. I have to lift it up first. I'm just doing the sides right now for the top. So all I did was serge the side. And now I'm going to be putting the elastic on here. Now, I serge it on the wrong side. This is my elastic. I place it at the edge. But when I serge, I'm not going to cut anything, okay? So I hope you guys can see this. So it's like that. You can see it. So I'm serging it on the wrong side. You can see it's not being cut. Right, so this is at the bottom. So here's its serge. I hope you can see it properly. It's serge on the top. Okay. And what I'm going to do after is I'm going to zigzag it. Okay. And while I'm serging, I'm slightly stretching. So what I do, it's like this. So here it is. The top and the bottom is serged. Here it is serged. As you can see, I'm on the edge. I'm not cutting the elastic. Slightly, very slightly, not too much. And I follow the curve of the bottom. So basically, it's like this. when I'm done, and all I do is just cut off. And then I'm going to do the waist. So the waist, I'm going to start from in the middle because that's where I want the to start, because you know you have to come around, and you got to come around like this. When you come around and stop it. So I always do it in the middle, in the back. Start it in the back. And when I'm doing it on the leg opening, I always start at the bottom where the crotch is. Okay. All right, so that is done. So we're gonna go over to the next machine. So the stitch length, I'm gonna change the width from 5 to 3, and I'm gonna the length part of it to 1.5. So we're gonna finish. We're gonna stitch this down. So what I'm doing is, remember, it's like this. Remember, it is serge. All I'm doing is turning it down, and I'm gonna zigzag. So I'm gonna start where I come around, stop it. Okay, so the top is finished. I'll show you guys. The top is finished. So here's the top. Here it is. What I'm saying is very fine because I put it at a 3. Okay, so we're gonna finish the bottom now. So this is the bottom. So this is the waist. That's the leg opening, and we're gonna stitch it down now. Okay, so we're gonna start by the crotch. By the crotch. I'm gonna turn it over, and we're gonna stitch. So we did the first leg opening. That's the leg opening right there. And then we're going to do the second leg opening. So all I did was like this and turn it over like that and to stitch. And this is a 3/8 elastic. And you know it's straight because when you're sewing and you turn it over, you literally on the mark. So on your plate, there is a 3/8 and then a 5/8 and 7/8. So I'm literally on the 3/8 when I'm stitching. All right, and now we're going to do the waist. So let's do a close up. So what I did, guys, was this is my 3/8 elastic. Okay. And this is it. All right. And I serge it down. I serge it down. So what I did was right at the edge, on the wrong side of my neck, I put it right there by the edge. Let me show you with the white that that it makes sense, that you can see it better. Okay, let's demonstrate a little bit better. So here's your mesh. We're gonna put it right at the edge. And we're gonna serge it. And when we serge, we're gonna turn it over and zigzag it. Okay? So this is what we do with the black. All right? Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Any questions, just ask me. And thank you for all your support, guys. Subscribe, and you have a great day.